Becky from My Giddy Aunt. I've been asked to show you how to use link locks. If you don't know what a link lock is, you might know what a jump ring is. A jump ring is the thing that you'll see joining charms or pendants to bracelets and necklaces, and they're the things that sometimes come off. Very easy to repair a broken jump ring, and it's very easy to use a jump ring yourself if you understand a few of the basic tips and the basic principles about a jump ring. This is a piece of silver wire. A jump ring is made by wire that's coiled around into circles, and then when it's cut you end up with a whole lot of little jump rings, and you can see from there that they open from side to side, not backwards and forwards. So a link lock is just a very clever jump ring. It's a jump ring that doesn't need to be soldered closed because it's got a little barrel on the end that will securely catch the other end of the jump ring, and once it's closed and folded over, it's not going to open. It's closed forever. And that's what we're going to show you how to use today.